Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Central Free. My name is Minal King, and today I'm gonna report the topic in math entitled Surface Area and Volume of a Rectangular Prism.
Everybody sing. Kadua siya siya mabalik. A rectangular prism. A rectangular prism is a 3D shape. Yan siguro siya. Again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's have the to discuss. Sure. Kanang gaan-gaan nga box.
For example, this box right here.
Pahawid ni, pag call someone para maghawid.
For example, this box right here. You can see that the top and bottom are the same shape. That is a prism. Actually, a prism is a type of polyhedron. A polyhedron has base, edge, vertex, or vertices. Some solid figures are 3D, just like this. 3D means three-dimensional shape. Formula for 3D is length times width times height.
Okay, let them read the formula. Everybody, the formula is? That's for volume.
The formula has areas of pieces and different types of faces. The formula of volume is length times width times height. Volume that gives you the total space contained within the rectangular prism. Sir, ma-explain ako sa surface area.
Go. Okay, say thank you, David.
Thank you, David. When it comes to surface area, simply put, it's the total area of the outside part of the layer of a specific area. So when it comes to rectangular prisms, they have 6 faces, so we need to find the area of each face and all of the top in order to get the surface area. Now on the top of here, we are going to use that formula there in order to find the surface of a rectangular prism.
Let them read the formula, everybody. Surface area, itudlo. No, that's the center. That's the center. That one. Okay, SA, everybody, SA equals 2 times front and back times 2 times right and left. Plus na siya, plus. Plus 2 times top and bottom. Again, everybody read. SA. What is SA?
Surface area.
So again, SA. Everybody. Times front and back. Plus 2 times right and left. Plus 2 times top and bottom. Okay, example. Sige, go. Read example number 1. Sige, go. Ayaw pagtalikod. Pwede na magtakilid. Ana. Okay. So that is the front. Is it the front? Six times. Okay, 6 times. Pila man na ang width? 2. So 6 times 2. 12. Tura, ito lang 12. 12 times 2. 24. So, okay, next face. 3 times 2. Okay, everybody? 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. Okay, next. 6 times 3. Okay, top and bottom. Top and bottom, everybody. 6
times 3
equals 18. Times 2 equals
36.
Okay, so add all of them, everybody. 24.
24 plus 12.
Everybody again.
24 plus
Again, Warren. Again.
24 plus 12 plus 36 equals 72
Again, 72 square inches. Okay, square inches. Okay, next.
Next, I'm gonna give a group test to each group.
Okay, form a circle. Okay, the teacher will give an example on how to answer. Okay, explain. Pwede ra.
For example, how to answer the puzzle I am giving group. 9 mga words Dani. Tapos 9 is Dani ng saktong word. Basahan mo yun siya. For example, a golden and blue, a green, red, black, lion, fish. Tapos, imo na i-arrange tayo ng letters na formal like yung words na against at tapos.
So to complete the sentence. Okay. Okay, start. So you have to complete the clues given. Okay, nahuman na sila? Okay, first, then tapos. Okay, read.
Together natin, sir.
Yes.
Prism is a tube with faces or bases.
Is it correct?
Yes, it's correct.
Okay, 60 points.
Sir, wala na ba?
Yeah, you have to read the volume. Dungan lang mo pagbasa rin dito sa board. Hindi nila mababasa. 60 points. Right there, 60 points. Minus 10 ang sabaan. Just raise your hands without any noise. So the word is?
Vertex.
Okay, vertex is correct.
Yes.
50 points. 50 points. 50. Second is 50. Sila may una. Okay, everybody read.
Wala ko nakatag.
Yan naman sa board. Okay, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and. Okay. Complete the wrong spelling. Okay, the word is volume. Okay, 40 points. $40 points. Okay, correct. And the last one.
Last one din.
Yan na lang, pag-group test ha. Wala kay tag board sa pansiran. Sige, individual na daw. So, arrange back the chairs. Kay individual na. 1/4 lang yapon. Okay, 1/4, write your name. Minus 10 na mga yo. 3, 2, 1. Ang 1 hole, pwede na ito nga o. Kaupat to na 1 hole. Hindi lang, okay lang. Small letter ang IN. So you have to look for the volume and the surface area. You have to solve. Okay, right there, volume equals, and the surface area equals. Volume and surface area, imong topic. Sige, volume and surface area. Okay, so volume, you have to multiply 4 times 3 times 5. Since it's a volume, it's a cubic inches ang answer. So you have to look for the volume and the surface area. Okay, give them 5 minutes to answer. Red ball pen to the two. Teacher stand. Yes, of course. Sa paper ka mag-solve. Oo, pwede ra. Solution na diretso. Raise your hands if you are through. Pasa lang dahil sa teacher. Wala pa naman ka teacher gani pag answer na humanak ka. Volume and surface area. Ayaw daw ata kung wala gisolve. Kung answer diretso gihatag, dapat gisuma. Yeah. Ang surface area times sa 2. 2 times front and back, and then sa 2 times right and left, dahil i-add na po sa 2 times top and bottom. Last 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, ato na ihatag sa leader. May I see your answer, Janelle? Sa volume, pila man yung volume?
60.
Okay, 60 cubic inches, correct. Sige, cubic inches. Correct man.
3 matudahin na rin, sir.
Oo. Sa SA, 2 times, sagi 20. Sakto naman eh. So, 40. Okay, 40. Tapos, sige na po ka, 2 times, isunod. Plus. Plus. 2 times, sunod niya ko 5 times 3.
15.
Oo, 15. So, kadwa ako ng 15. 15 times 2. Kadwa ako ng 15.
25. Pwede. 30.
30 plus 30. Okay, plus 30. Plus. Tapos 2 times, susunod din mong gibuhat. 4 times 3. 4 times 3. Ayun, di ibutang. 12. 12 times 2.
12 times 2.
Ayun na, butang kuan. Irisa na, irisa. 12 times 2.
24.
Okay, plus 24. Plus 24. I-add na tanan. Okay, add de. Pila man na tanan de. Kulati ang teacher.
94.
Oh, 94 si apelido.
Square inches.
Okay, square inches. Okay, muna na yung lantaon dito. Okay, hatag na dahil sa teacher. Box din yung answers ha. Sige, pangwanan lang mga answers. Plus 10 sa pinakahilo mga grupo. One minute left. Okay. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, pass na. Finish or unfinished, pass your papers. Okay, tell them their scores. Yes.
Rubilin and Marong, Joseph Alonsat wrong, James Rudy wrong, Annalyn wrong, Yanin wrong, Annalyn C. Pacheco wrong, Elysian correct, Mark Joseph wrong, James Lauren wrong, Daniela
explain ang answer sa volume of essay. Okay, volume una. Explain lang. Sige, volume is equal to 4. Everybody, 4 times 3 times 5. 4 times 3. 12 times 5. 60. Ang sa apelido? Cubic inches. So, 60 cubic inches. Okay, sa surface area, itudlo sa box. Ayaw, takilid. Ayaw, 10 yung box. 3 times. Sa una yung gibuhat. 4 times, saan man yung gibuhat? 4 times 5. Everybody? 4 times 5, 20. Oh, times 2 man, kaya 2 man sila. 40. Okay, 40 ang una. Sunod. 2 times... Wala ito. 3 times 5 equals... Oh, everybody, 3? 3 times 5 equals 50. 2 man, times 2? 30. So, 40, 30 na. Last? 4 times 3 equals 12. Times 2. So, sa itong i-add, 40, everybody. 40 plus 20 plus 24. Isulat din 40. 40 front and back plus. Sige, 40 plus. Ayun na, plus ra. Plus 30 plus. Oh, i-add. Pila man natanan? Okay, the answer is 94 square inches. Okay. Who got the correct answer? Okay. Balik natin sa meaning. Everybody read the surface area. Tara, Janelle. Tara sa pinaka-last. Everybody read the surface area. Surface area of a rectangular prism is the total area of all 6 faces or sides combined to find the surface area. Everybody, SA. 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times width times height. Okay, volume is equal to? Everybody, volume equals? Length times width times height. Ito lo dyan, where? Ito sa pinakataas. Where? Pinakataas. Where? L is the length of the prism. W is the width of the prism. H is the height of the prism. The formula adds okay, the volume gives you ayos ang pong Janelle. Everybody? The volume gives you the total space contained within the rectangular prism. So, ang sulod mismo sa prism, munang volume. Ang gawas is the faces ang surface area. Okay, let's sing the song. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and... Everybody read that topic. Everybody end.
Surface area and volume of a rectangular prism.
You clap your hands for Janelle. Congratulations.